Hey guys, welcome to ShellTech. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, doing a sound test, and a comparison video of the all-new Fifine K690 studio recording mic. So for the past few months, this has been my sound setup. I've got a Tonor T20 boom arm connected to a Fifine K678 USB mic. The K678 mic has been an extremely reliable mic for me. It was my first major purchase for my YouTube channel. You can actually check out my review of that by clicking the link right above. So after so many months of using the K678 mic, Fifine was kind enough to send me the all-new K690 studio mic, so I can give an honest review and give it a comparison to my reliable K678 mic. So let's see what's in this box. So this is the Fifine K690 USB studio microphone unboxing. The box is in typical Fifine branded colors, red, white, and black, and is well designed and offers great protection for the mic inside. This latest mic is running for around $99 on Amazon, and so it's cheaper than the Blue Yeti, its main competitor, at $150. In the box we have company information, a pretty big instruction manual, which is unusual nowadays with most companies giving a minimal paper instructions. Under the foam cover, we have the mic and we have a little white box, a little tough to get out. And inside the box is the Type A to Mini B USB cable, which is about 6.5 feet long. Then you got a 5/8 inch male to 3/8 inch female mic thread. So it's a screw adapter for connecting the microphone to a boom arm. And the last thing is the microphone itself, the Fifine K690 studio microphone. It comes with a 2-year warranty, it's a matte black finish, and feels very sturdy and hefty. On the back of the mic, you have the controller for the gain or the sensitivity, and you have the multiple pattern selection, which you use to control the 4 different polar patterns this microphone offers. On the bottom of the mic, you have the USB interface and the headphone jack. The over 6.5 long USB cable connects on the bottom of the mic, and a green light will show that the mic is active and powered. Pressing the mute button will turn it red, and the green light will show that it's actively recording. Also on the bottom of the mic is a standard thread mount. So if you'd like to mount the K690 to a standard microphone studio mount, you just have to remove the desk stand and use the included adapter. And taking the desk stand off is very easy. Just unscrew both arms and take out the knobs so you can use this mic with any standard studio boom arm. If you're liking this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's do a small comparison with my favorite mic and the mic I'm using right now, the K678. I've been using this mic reliably since I bought it. Right off the bat, I can tell, you can see the difference that it's smaller than the K690. K690 is hefty, a little bit heavier than the K678, and so it gives a sturdier presence. Basically, you can see they're both got the same well-made construction, except the K690 has more features than the K678. Both microphones use the same USB cable and studio arm adapter, so Fifine keeps it consistent between all their makes of microphones. I can't wait to test this new mic to see if it will replace my old reliable K678 mic. So let's connect it to my boom arm and give it a sound test to see all the new features and functions of the new K690 studio mic. Connecting the new K690 to the studio arm is easy. I'm just reusing the included studio arm adapter. It's quite easy. You just unscrew the 2 knobs and convert the microphone to work on the studio arm. The mic screws on quite easy. You connect the USB cable and you turn the label towards you, indicating the front of the microphone. I like to use pop filters and foam filters, so I was curious to see if it'll fit. Now it's time to test the K690 from Fifine. First thing I'm going to do is take off the filters, pop filter and foam filter, so we get an unaltered sound straight from the mic. One of the biggest features of the K690 is the 4 polar patterns. Right now I'm in stereo mode. Stereo mode's using left and right channels. It's picking up from the sides and the front, and it's mostly used for duets or acoustic guitar, so I don't think I'm going to be using that very often. The next mode you got on this mic is the omnidirectional mode. Omnidirectional mode picks up from all around the whole top of the mic. So it's great if you want to get sounds from the entire room. If you're having multi-conversations, if there's a podcast, if it's a debate, if you need that whole sound or just ambient sound from the whole room, that's the mode you're going to use, the omnidirectional mode. The third mode, and maybe the most popular mode, and the mode I'll probably use the most, is cardioid mode. My K678 mic is a cardioid mic, so you have to speak directly in front of the mic to pick up your voice. For Fifine mics, you have to speak in front where the Fifine logo is. So cardioid mode is the most popular. It's great for streamers, gamers, people doing voiceovers, people who don't need that ambient sound in their recording. And the fourth mode is bidirectional mode. Bidirectional mode picks up in the front and in the back. So it's great for duets, interviews, or conversations between two people. So I'll switch this back to cardioid mode, and for the rest of this video, I'll be using the K690. Tell me down in the comments down below, how's it sound? Does it sound better, worse, or just the same as my K678 that I used for the beginning of this video? So what do I think about this microphone? I really do like it. Is it a huge difference from the K678? No, not really. They both sound great to my ears and are great buys at $64 and $99 respectively. The K690 comes with more features and is a great buy against its competitors like the Blue Yeti. So I think this microphone is going to be my new main microphone, and I'm going to be using it from now on for all my YouTube videos. With the added features like the ability to change the polar pattern, I really think the Fifine K690 will grow with me in my YouTube and digital endeavors. So I'll leave a link to all the products used in this video down in the description. If you found this helpful, please leave a comment down below or any questions about the Fifine 690 studio mic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new tech videos. Thanks for watching.